Alright, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, whatever you do. My face is so dark. Welcome to No Budget Show. Alright, so about Hamonado or Hamonada. Hamonado or Hamonada? I have no idea. So today we were gonna make that one. Alright, let's go. Alright, so ingredients for our Hamonada. We have, of course, our chicken. Yes, this is chicken hamonada. Chicken. We have sugar later. I will use brown sugar because I don't like using white sugar. We have our salt there. We have our vinegar. And we have orange juice because we don't have lemon. And it's no budget show, so we will make use whatever we have in our kitchen, in our pantry. And of course, we have our pineapple there and our oil. So, as our garlic. Yeah, that's it. So, simple as that. But first, let's marinate this chicken. Alright, so after 20 minutes of marinating this, we were gonna fry our chicken. Alright, frying's done. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook everything here. We're gonna put that in our pan. Alright? And after that, we're gonna wait until everything is ready and cook. Let's go! Alright, so we have Gian with us and she will try my Hamonado or Hamonada because I haven't tried it and hopefully it tastes similar with the original charms. Dozo.
Ano ba kung kano natin?
Ang
pineapple?
Huh? Hamonado is chicken. Diba dapat ang chicken? Okay. Cha-chan.
Let's see. That's cutter.
In fairness, cute ang iro. Naas yung mukhang ano ba sanina. Murag siya yung mukhaon.
Lami ati.
Charms, mura siya gamit. Yes, lami. Lami in Cebuano is yummy. Oishi, it tastes like Hamonado. Really?
Basta lami.
Lami siya. Hala, vague kaayo. Sige, lami. Basta lami. Yummy! Approve? Okay. Nice.
Lami ati.
Yata, kaon na sad ko
Kumara
kako.
ni sink in ang kuan.
Ni-sink in ang
Juice sa pineapple.
Yay! Sugoy. Arigato. Pwede na inegosyo?
Mong karinderya na des.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Ate, tagay tag pineapple be.
Hey, kaon lang.
Kalami sa pineapple.
Tikit kay iro jud ay. Ang iro ba kay mura ka kanunon sa buko pakit unya ta ka sa video ani.